Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to send money with Western Union application. First, you should open the Western Union application and log in into your account. And after that, click on send or check rates. Then enter the amount that you want to give to the recipient. After that, click on continue. Now you have to choose the delivery method. So here in my case, I'll choose cash pickup. Now you will have to enter the recipient's information and make sure that you enter them accurately with no mistakes. After that, you will have to review your money transfers details and confirm to proceed for payment. So click on submit down below. Now you will have to enter your card information. You can also save your card information for future transactions by clicking on this button right here, save your card details. And after filling your information, click on pay. Then you will see here the confirmation page and receive an email with your transaction details. You should now share this number MTCN with your recipient. And if you want to repeat the same transaction, you can simply do this by clicking on edit and resend. If you want to make the same transaction to the same one that you have sent him before, you will just do some edits for the amount of money. And when you click on edit and resend, it will show you all the transfers on the history page, so you can simply choose any one of them. You can also use the swipe feature. You can swipe left for more action and swipe right to go back, and you can also tap to see more details. And after you click on any one of the recipients that you have sent them before, you can simply click on edit receiver if you want to change the receiver and add another person. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.